Now we're gonna see if we can see if there's babies in here. One of them just flew out. We don't want to bother them too much, so we're gonna be quick. Is your camera on and ready? Okay. Oh, there's the baby's mouths. Okay.
Oh my God, look at that. Oh dear, look at it closed his mouth. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, all of a sudden.
Because I started squeaking at him. And I'm going to squeak one more time here. They're both up there, so they both come back. Hopefully they're going to come back with some juicy worms for the babies. And in she goes.
Oh, there he goes.
She's still standing in the doorway trying to see what has happened. Yeah, I think she's finally in there now. Reassuring them that, yes, they're famous, and that's what fame is going to bring you. Little tiny bunny. And we were trying to blame the groundhog for eating our Helen plant. That is the tiniest little bunny. Kind of hard to get a perspective, but he's about the size of the iris. That is a baby. No. No, he doesn't have a white cottontail. He's got a little green cottontail.
There he goes. Now there's his white cottontail.
There it is. Off into the wilds.